for advanced restart button, it's available. I am directly booting into recovery using that. If you don't have that, use the volume up button and power button to boot into recovery. And regarding Lineage OS, I tried multiple times. It's not getting flashed, and I've even got error 1 and error 7 in TWRP. Recovering from that, it was very difficult. I made it finally. Entire night yesterday I wasted my time for one single ROM. I could not try that more. That's how it is. And this is Evolution X flashing method, booting into recovery. As you can see, this is the latest TWRP recovery available. Go to wipe section and select your advanced wipe and select Dalvik cache and data and swipe here to wipe it. Once that has been done, go to home section here and select install and select the micro SD card, and wherever you downloaded the ROM zip file, go there. Before that, flash the firmware 12.5.5.0 global, flash it. The firmware is very important. I tried multiple times for Lineage OS with firmware, without firmware, with NICG apps, with Flame apps. Multiple times I tried with DFE. It's not going to work for Lineage OS. I can skip the video. For one single ROM, I can't waste my entire day. That's how it is. And once the firmware has been flashed here, go to home section here and again select install and select the ROM zip file Evolution X. You can see here 2255. This is the latest build available. This is an official build. You can see here with May 3rd Tuesday build with Android version 12 with May security patch. That's really good. It takes a little bit of time to flash the ROM. Wait until it gets flashed. As you can see, the ROM zip file has been flashed successfully. Go to home section again here and select wipe and select format data and type your YES and press this tick button. Done. Go to home section again and select the reboot and select the system. This is the flashing method for Evolution X latest version for Poco X3. This is applicable for NFC 2, and in this video I am going to explain in detail regarding this ROM, what are the bugs, features, improvements, how is the benchmark results, how is the gameplay in BGMI, and will it support fast charging or not. Everything will be explained in detail. Stay tuned till the end of the video, and here we go. It's booted into Evolution X. Let's begin this video. Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath FX Poco X3 custom ROM reviews, and this is the Evolution X version Android 12 version 6.3.1 Surya kernel. Used here is 4.14.246 kernel has been used on May 5th 2022. The latest security patch is also available, and the build date is Tuesday May 3rd. Latest build is and Sync status is M-forcing, and I have been running the CPU throttling test from last 5 minutes 1 second. So you can see here the maximum is 152 and average is 131 and minimum is 110 million GIPS, and CPU is throttled to 83% of its max performance. It's a little bit throttling is going on in this particular ROM here, and let's see the benchmark results. First, coming to Antutu benchmark here, it's 3,52,438, which is pretty good, and the temperature raise was also just 0.8 degree Celsius, and 2% of the battery drop has been noticed during this testing. That's how it is. The scores are good, but there is a little bit of throttling going on by seeing the CPU throttling test, and the Geekbench scores are also here. Let me show you. Here we go. The single score performance is 544 and multi score is 1542, and the kernel used here is Linux 4.14.246 kernel has been used. This is how the benchmark results. And coming into dialer, let me increase a little bit of volume, and you can see the volume panel here. This is how the volume panel you get in this particular ROM. It's an Android 12 based, and you get here direct video call feature that's available in this ROM. No need to worry about that, and call recording is there, but it will announce the other person that you are recording the call. That's how it is. And coming to widgets and home settings and wallpaper and styles, let me show you the wallpapers here. You get plenty of wallpapers. All the Android 12 wallpapers are pre-installed. No need to worry regarding that. And into the home settings, this is the pixel launcher you get by default, and you get notification dots at a glance and swipe to access Google app overview suggestions. Those things are present in any Pixel Experience ROM or Pixel Launcher. You get all these options. And into the widgets, you get clock widget here. That's working fine, as you can see. Just drag it, and if you want to change further, those all things are available. This is how the and a 12 style things are available. And coming to DRM info, here you get level 1 certification. As you can see, you can watch all the OTT application in HD resolution. That's not the problem in this particular ROM. And coming to speed test, I have here like 100 Mbps Geo Giga Fiber connection. It's pulling up to 90 to 95 Mbps. Even with mobile data connection, it's working fine, and carrier aggregation is also fine enough, no problem regarding that. And even the earpiece quality while making call is also fine enough, no problem regarding that too. And there are some of the pre-installed apps are installed. If you want, you can uninstall them. News, Duo, the Google apps. And regarding the safety net status, I haven't installed the app. Let me install it. Safety net status. And by the way, if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below, guys, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. Whenever I upload a new video, you'll get notified. And if you like the video, give it a like. Many people watching my videos but not subscribing it, subscribe my channel for similar kind of videos and tech related videos you'll get in my channel. And here we go. The safety net status get passed here in this particular ROM, Evolution X 6.3.1 official one this is. And you can use all the payment applications like Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, whatever you want to use, like WhatsApp or any MyGeo, any application which are in Play Store, genuine, those you can use it in this particular ROM. All are working fine. And into the settings, let me go. Before that, this is how the quick settings panel you get here data used today. You will get this, and this is how the quick settings panel, and screen recording option is given. You can record both device audio and microphone both simultaneously. That's working fine. Location, Bluetooth, everything is working fine. In the edit section, you get plenty of options here. You can see here ambient display, sound, heads up, volume panel, gaming mode. Those you can add by dragging this. That's how the quick settings panel. Now let's move into settings, and you get here the evolver. You get themes. Into that, use black theme. If you enable this, whenever you keep the dark theme, as you can see, it's now in pitch black condition. As you can see, now it's in pitch black condition. You can use that, hence you need to enable that. I will go back again here and into the evolver and into the themes. Just if you disable this, it is like gray type. I don't like it. Comment down in the comment section, guys, how you like the dark theme. It should be in pitch black condition, or it should be in any like gray or green type based upon the Monet engine style. Let me know in the comment section below. Let me disable the dark theme here, and this is the theme. And you get plenty of options here for customization, and even status bar also you can change here, the clock style and even the clock and date. Traffic indicators are also given, and battery icon also you can change here, battery style and battery percentage. You can toggle colorful battery icon. You can see here now it's in yellow color. You can change them. If you enable that, it will be in colorful. And logo also is available. You can keep Evolution X logo, as you can see. If you want, you can keep many also. You can position them also. Lots of customization. I already spoken about this in many Evolution X ROMs. And important thing is the miscellaneous. You need to enable these three things in order to get Google Photos unlimited storage. You need to enable the first one and unlock higher FPS in games. If you enable this, you will get high FPS, I mean up to smooth plus 90 FPS in BGMI. Like that options can be enabled if you enable these in the miscellaneous settings. Many people directly watch my gaming video and they complain how to enable this. You need to enable in the miscellaneous settings in the evolver settings. Then only you get that unlocked FPS in this ROM. And battery, you can see here battery usage has been recorded 1 hour 8 minutes. It was around 60% while I flashed this ROM. It's very good battery life you can expect from this particular ROM with very good performance. And there is little bit throttling, but you can ignore that. That's how it is. And in the battery settings you get all the options here. You can see here, you can see the battery capacity cycles also, and battery charging warning you can enable here. Battery saver is given, extreme battery saver is also given. You can enable that. Those are available only in Pixel Experience ROMs. And apps, you get plenty of options here. Here default apps are given. If you want to change the default apps, that can be done from here. And into the display you get all the basic things like refresh rate is also given. Colors, keep it boosted or saturated a little bit better, and you can adjust the RGB strength from here. And minimum refresh rate kept to 60, maximum I will keep it to 120 here. That's how it is. It's a little bit smooth now compared to 60 Hz. And display color calibration is also given, and app per refresh app is also given. and LCD features also you can enable from here. Let's see the BGMI, how it handles actually in the real-time performance of BGMI. What are the graphics settings if you enable that in miscellaneous settings? Let's see. This is the BGMI. You get graphics up to smooth plus 90 FPS. You need to enable that in miscellaneous settings, then only you get that. And into boot camp now. Many people request to play in boot camp in Changelog. That's the request I am following. And I will be showing the TDM also, and you can see the real-time FPS count. Let me enable that let me enable first FPS. Okay, you can see here. Oh no, I'll get this the left side. You can see the real-time FPS now. Many people already landed. You won't get like cherry shows or curve shows, but still it's playable in 90 FPS. You can see the real-time FPS, it's struck to 60 FPS now. It's not giving continuous 90. Definitely it's fine, but it's not up to 90 FPS like that, but definitely it's playable, guys. You can use it as a gaming ROM also. I'll do one thing, I'll come back and show you the TDM. And again set to same smooth plus 90 FPS in TDM. You can see the real-time FPS in the left side. It's up to 70 FPS right now. It's smooth enough. Day-to-day tasks, definitely it's fine enough. Evolution X with lots more customization. But even with gaming also it's fine, as you can say. You can see the FPS count here. When it drops, when many enemies around me, then it will drop definitely. If I want to rate this ROM among Curvus OS and the cherry choice, I can rate this after the cherry choice. It is close even. Okay, I will come back. You can definitely use it as a gaming now. If you don't like it to cherish OS, then you can definitely try this Evolution X latest build, and this is official one currently. And let me show you the charging animation and 33 watt charger support here. You can see here it's recognized as turbo charging, hence you can use the 33 watt charging also. High speed charging is also working fine. And let me show you the face unlock. As you can see, it's fast enough, and even the fingerprint unlock is also quick enough to unlock. All the basic things are also working fine. Coming to verdict, if you want to use this as a daily driver, you need to install some Gcam. This is the camera application, it's not usable. Use the Gcam. I always spoken about that in earlier videos, the Arno build Gcam. Use that, it will be working fine. If you want, you can use any other Gcam ports also. That's how it is, and the performance is top notch here. No need to worry about that, and battery life is also really good, and definitely you can use it as a daily driver. No real-time bugs as of now. If it is available, I can update in the comment section and community section also. You can check out that, and you can see here it's quick enough to use this ROM. And that's all guys in this video. If you like the video, give it a like, and thank you for watching. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.